Welcome! This is a Spark for Real-Time Data Processing and Advanced Analytics course. My name is Tomasz Lelek and I am a software engineer, programming mostly in Java and Scala. I am a fan of microservices architecture and functional programming. I am creating software for big data and streaming processing jobs that handles thousands events per second. In the first section, we'll be looking at the Spark streaming technology. So it will be an introduction to Spark streaming and its dstream API. We will be looking at the transform operations and joining streams. In the second section, we will see how to use streaming approach to solve advanced streaming use cases. So we'll be handling time in high velocity streams, and also we'll be building streaming application, handling events that are not in order. In the section 3, we'll be looking at the Spark machine learning and machine learning pipeline. So we'll be introducing machine learning with Spark, we'll be doing feature extraction and transformation, and we will build logistic regression model. In the section number 4, we'll be using Spark Graphics API. So it will be an introduction to that API, and we will see how to create a graphs using that API. In next section, we will be looking at the more advanced things concerning Spark X. So we'll be performing Spark X operations. We will be performing subgraph operations, we'll be counting degrees and other things. In the sixth section, we will be looking at the Spark R. So we will see how to connect R, that is an analytic language, with Spark, and we will be starting R programs using Spark execution environment. In the last section, we'll be solving a complex analytical use cases. So we will solve a PageRank problem, and also we'll be building a real-time solution that is using everything that we learned throughout this course. And there are a couple of prerequisites of that course, and first is understanding of Scala and Java language. Then you need to have Java 1.8 installed, Scala JDK, and installed IntelliJ IDE. You also need to have modern laptop or desktop computer. And this course is intended for software engineers, solution architects, and novice big data architects who would like to learn how to create streaming and batch applications that handles big data.